In this tutorial, we're going to discuss using your Chromebook to capture and share photographs. We'll cover the camera app, taking screenshots, finding your photographs in the files, and getting them uploaded to Google Classroom. The simplest way to capture a photograph on your Chromebook is to use the camera app. The camera app can be easily found using the launcher at the bottom of your screen. Just click this black round button. If you've used the camera recently, you may find that it's right here. If not, you can type it in and search for it, or expand using this little triangle, and you can find the camera in this area. Give it one click to open it. Once the camera is open, you'll see a window that looks like this, and you'll see a camera icon down at the bottom of your screen. If you would like to keep the camera app in the toolbar at the bottom, simply touch that camera button, give it a 2-finger tap, and you can pin it to the toolbar so it's always there when you need it. When the camera app opens, you'll see your image here in the center, whatever you have your camera pointed at. A few buttons to know. Over here on the right, this gray button at the top is what you click to take your picture or video. Below that, we can capture videos with sound using the Chromebook. We can do a standard widescreen photo, or we can do a square photo. When you click this circle here at the bottom, you'll be able to see the library of pictures that you've already taken. Over here on the left, we have a gear where you can change the settings for your camera. This button is handy. It flips your image. So if you notice that you look backwards in your picture, just click that. It'll flip you right around. If you know about the rule of thirds in photography, you can use this button to bring up the grid. And finally, at the bottom, there's a timer that you can use to delay a photograph so that you can set up your camera and wait a few seconds before it actually takes the picture. Another way to get photographs on your Chromebook is to do a screenshot. A screenshot allows you to turn whatever is on your screen into a picture. You can use the entire screen or select part of the screen. If you'd like to capture a screenshot of your entire screen, simply hold down the Control key on your Chromebook and then press the Switch Window button in the top row. If you'd like to select just a portion of your screen to capture as a screenshot, hold down Control and Shift, then press the Switch Window button. You'll be able to use your cursor to select whatever portion of the screen you want to appear in your screenshot. Whether you capture your image using the camera app or a screenshot, all of your saved images will appear in your Files app. You can get to your files from that same launcher we saw earlier. Click the circle down at the bottom. If you've used your Files app recently, it might be there. Otherwise, type in Files or open and find it in the menu. Your Files app has everything saved to your Chromebook. Over on the left, you'll be able to see they categorize it by audio, images, and videos. All of the pictures and videos that I take with my camera app will be saved here. There's also a spot for downloads if anything has been downloaded to your machine, let's say from your Google Drive. And this is really nice. At the bottom of your Files app, there is a connection to your Google Drive. And if you expand that little triangle, you'll be able to see your drive and any folders that you might have in your drive. You can do a drag and drop from your Chromebook files over into your Google Drive. It would look like this. If I want to take, let's say, this screenshot, which I took earlier, and put it over into my Google Drive, I could just click and hold the screenshot, drag it down, and dump it over into my Google Drive. Then when I go to my drive, that picture would be there for me. Now, when it comes time to submit your pictures to Google Classroom, you would open up Google Classroom and go to whatever assignment needs the picture submitted. Over here on the right, or somewhere on the screen, you'll see a spot for you to add or create your work. Simply click Add. Now, if you put your picture on your Google Drive, click Google Drive. If it's still just saved in the files of your Chromebook, you'll need to go to File. And when the next window pops up, select Files from your device and find it in the Files app.